Welcome back, students. This is my 10th lecture on the topic vectors. In last lectures, we have studied product of vectors, in which we have studied scalar product and vector product. In this lecture, we will study triple product of vectors, in that scalar triple product and vector triple product we'll see. Scalar triple product. Look at the diagram, student. We define the scalar triple product of three vectors a bar, b bar and c bar, which is denoted by in box a bar, b bar, c bar, and is defined as a bar dot b bar cross c bar. See, student, b bar cross c bar is the perpendicular vector to the plane of b bar and c bar. If we take a dot product with a bar, it gives us a scalar quantity. Therefore, a bar dot b bar cross c bar is called a scalar triple product. And we can write the scalar triple product in terms of order 3 determinant. See, in box a bar, b bar, c bar equals to, using vector a bar, first row a1, a2, a3, using vector b bar, second row b1, b2, b3, and using the third vector c bar, the third row c1, c2, c3. So the scalar triple product is also called as a box product. Properties of scalar triple product. As we know the properties of determinant, the properties of scalar triple product are also same, since the scalar triple product is written in terms of determinant. So we'll see a cyclic change of vectors a bar, b bar, c bar in a scalar triple product does not change its value. That is, box product of a bar, b bar, c bar equals to box product of b bar, c bar, a bar equal to box product of c bar, a bar, b bar. A single interchange of vector in scalar triple product changes its sign of its values. That is, box product of a bar, b bar, c bar equals to minus of b bar, a bar, c bar equals to minus of box product c bar, b bar, a bar equal to minus of box product a bar, c bar, b bar. See the graphic, students. If we go to a bar, b bar, c bar or b bar, c bar, a bar, the scalar triple product does not change. But if we change the direction to a bar, c bar, b bar, then its value changes with minus sign. If a row of determinant can be expressed as linear combination of other rows, then its determinant is 0. See, student, if the scalar triple product is 0 if any one of the following is true. That is, the one of the vectors is a 0 vector. Means in determinant, if any one row is 0, then that scalar triple product is 0. Second, any two vectors are collinear, then also scalar triple product is 0. And any three vectors are coplanar, then also scalar triple product is 0. Or to show that the collinearity of two vectors, we can use scalar triple product. The coplanarity of three vectors, also we can use scalar triple product. If it is equal to 0, then we can say that three vectors are coplanar. An interchange of dot and cross in a scalar triple product does not change its value. See, a bar dot b bar cross c bar equals to a bar cross b bar dot c bar, means the scalar triple product is commutative. We'll see example. If u bar, v bar and w bar are given vectors, then find u bar plus v bar dot u bar cross v bar cross v bar cross w bar. Since it is a scalar triple product, so we have to use here solution. Write down given vectors u bar, v bar and w bar. First of all, we will find out u bar plus W bar. Write down student U bar and W bar and add it. It will give us I cap minus J cap. Now we will find out the second quantity, that is U bar cross V bar. So in determinant write down in first order I cap, J cap, K cap. In second row by using vector U bar, that is 1 minus 2 1, and in third row using vector V bar we can write 3 0 1 since J cap is 0 there. After solving this determinant, we will get U bar cross V bar as minus 2I cap plus 2J cap plus 6K cap. We will find out V bar cross W bar. Using vectors V bar and W bar, write down the determinant I cap, J cap, K cap 3 0 1 0 1 minus 1. After solving it, we will get V bar cross W bar as minus I cap plus 3J cap plus 3K cap. Now write down the given quantity, that is U bar plus W bar dot U bar cross V bar cross V bar cross W bar, which is a scalar triple product. So equal to the order 3 determinant 1 minus 1 0 minus 2 2 6 minus 1 3 3 by using 1 2 and 3. After solving it, which gives us minus 12, which is a scalar quantity. So from this we conclude that the scalar triple product is a scalar quantity. Such theorem: prove that the volume of parallelepiped with coterminous edges as A bar, B bar and C bar is box product A bar, B bar, C bar. Look at the diagram, student. Proof: let OA bar equals to A bar, OB bar equals to B bar and OC bar equals to C bar be the coterminous edges of parallelepiped. Let AP be the height of the parallelepiped. We know that, student, the volume of parallelepiped equal to area of base parallelogram OBDC into height AP. Call it as 1. AP equals to scalar projection of A bar on B bar cross C bar. See, A bar on B bar cross C bar. By using formula, we have B bar cross C bar dot A bar upon mod of B bar cross C bar. As we know, the scalar projection of P bar on Q bar is P bar dot Q bar upon mod of Q bar. And the area of parallelogram OBDC equals to mod of B bar cross C bar. Substituting in volume of parallelepiped, we will get B bar cross C bar dot A bar upon mod of B bar cross C bar into mod of B bar cross C bar. So from this, mod of B bar cross C bar get cancelled. So B bar cross C bar dot A bar is nothing but the box product A bar B bar C bar. Therefore, the volume of parallelepiped equals to box product A bar B bar C bar. Hence, proved. This is very important theorem, students. If the vectors, 3 vectors are given with coterminous edges of the parallelepiped, then find the volume of a parallelepiped. Solution: write down, student, given vectors as A bar, B bar and C bar. Now we know the volume of parallelepiped equals to box product A bar, B bar, C bar, which is nothing but A bar dot B bar cross C bar. So using determinant, write down first row 3 0 5, that is from A bar vector, then second row 4 2 minus 3, which is B bar vector, and from C bar 3 1 4, that is the third row of the determinant. After solving this, we will get 23, that is the volume of parallelepiped is 23 cubic units. Since it is a volume, its unit is cubic units. Prove that the volume of tetrahedron with coterminous edges A bar, B bar, C bar is 1 by 6 into box product A bar, B bar, C bar. Look at the diagram, student. Proof. Let OA bar equals to A bar, OB bar equals to B bar and OC bar equals to C bar be the coterminous edges of tetrahedron OABC. Let AP be the height of tetrahedron. We know that, student, volume of tetrahedron is equal to 1 by 3 into area of base triangle OCB, which is red in color, into height AP. AP equals to scalar projection of A bar on B bar cross C bar. See, student, this is the B bar cross C bar. So by using scalar projection, we have B bar cross C bar dot A bar upon mod of B bar across C bar. As we know, scalar projection of P bar on Q bar is P bar dot Q bar upon mod of Q bar. And the area of triangle OBC equals to 1 by 2 into mod of B bar cross C bar. Substituting in volume of tetrahedron, we have 1 by 3 into 1 by 2 B bar cross C bar, that is the area of triangle OAB, into AP is A bar dot B bar cross C bar upon mod of B bar cross C bar. Similarly, student, here mod of B bar cross C bar get cancelled. So we have 1 upon 3 2s are 6. A bar dot B bar cross C bar equals to 1 by 6 box product A bar B bar C bar, which is the volume of tetrahedron, hence proved. Find the volume of tetrahedron whose vertices A, B, C, D are given. Solution. Write down the given vectors as A bar equals to, from point A, minus I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap, B bar as 3I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap, C bar as 2I cap plus j cap plus 3k cap, and D bar as minus I cap minus 2j cap plus 4k cap. Now we will find out first AB bar equals to B bar minus A bar. Write down the vectors B bar minus A bar, which gives us 4I cap minus 4j cap minus 2k cap. You have to solve it and write down the answer. Similarly, AC bar equals to C bar minus A bar. Write down C bar and A bar. After subtraction, we will get AC bar as 3I cap minus j cap plus 0k cap. And AD bar equals to D bar minus A bar, gives us 0I cap minus 4j cap plus k cap. Now, student, we will find out scalar triple product as AB bar dot AC bar cross AD bar, which is the order 3 determinant. From AB bar, we have 4 minus 2, that is the first row. From AC bar, 3 minus 1, 0, second row. And from AD bar, 0 minus 4, 1. Solve this determinant, we will get after solving 32. But we have to find out the volume of tetrahedron equals to 1 by 6 box product AB bar, AC bar and AD bar, gives us 32 by 6 equals to 16 by 3 cubic unit. See, student, here points are given. We are converting that points to the vectors and then using scalar triple product, we will get the volume of tetrahedron. Vector triple product. Look at the diagram, student. For A bar, B bar, C bar in the space, we define the vector triple product as A bar cross B bar cross C bar. See, student, B bar cross C bar gives a perpendicular vector to the plane of B bar and C bar. We will take a cross product with A bar, gives us A bar cross B bar cross C bar, which lies in the plane of B bar and C bar. And vector triple product gives us a vector quantity, which is equals to A bar dot C bar into B bar minus A bar dot B bar into C bar. Or this we can write as A bar cross B bar cross C bar equals to B bar into A bar dot C bar minus C bar into A bar dot B bar. This is also called as back minus cab rule. Now we'll see properties of vector triple product. See student, A bar cross B bar cross C bar equals to minus of B bar cross C bar cross A bar, means vector triple product is not commutative. Then A bar cross B bar cross C bar gives us A bar dot C bar into B bar minus B bar dot C bar into A bar using definition. Then A bar cross B bar cross C bar is not equal to A bar cross B bar cross C bar. If we have I cap, j cap, k cap, 3 unit vectors, and then their vector triple product is equals to 0 bar. Next, A bar cross B bar cross C bar is linear combination of B bar and C bar. See, the bracketed quantity is B cross C, which is a linear combination of B bar cross C bar, and hence it is coplanar with B bar and C bar. If A bar, B bar and C bar are the vectors, then find A bar cross B bar cross C bar in bracket. Second, A bar cross B bar in bracket cross C bar. Are the results same? Justify your answer. From third property of vector triple product, we know student these vectors are not equal. We will prove it here. Solution. Write down the vectors A bar, B bar, C bar. Then consider first expression as A bar cross B bar cross C bar. By using definition, we will write it as back cab rule, that is A bar dot C bar into B bar minus A bar dot B bar into C bar. Write down the A bar, B bar, C bar here student. Now A bar dot C bar gives us a scalar quantity into B bar minus, again here A bar dot B bar gives us scalar quantity into C bar. So solving the square bracket, we will get 2 minus 2 into B bar as I cap plus 2j cap minus, solving again second square bracket, we will get 1 minus 4 into C cap. So 2 minus 2 gives us 0 into I cap plus 2j cap plus 3 into 2I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap equals to, after solving we have 6I cap plus 3j cap minus 6k cap. Call this as 1. Write down the given vectors A bar, B bar, C bar. Now consider the second expression A bar cross B bar cross C bar, which is equals to, again we are using definition A bar dot C bar into B bar minus B bar dot C bar into A bar. Write down A bar, B bar, C bar, which gives us, so I cap minus 2j cap into 2I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap gives us 2 minus 2 into I cap plus 2j cap, which is our B bar vector, minus B bar dot C bar gives us 2 plus 2 into A bar vector as I cap minus 2j cap. 2 minus 2 gives us 0 minus 2 plus 2 as 4 into I cap minus 2j cap. After solving it, we have minus 4I cap plus 8j cap. Call this as equation 2. So from 1 and 2, we will get student A bar cross B bar cross C bar is not equal to A bar cross B bar cross C bar. Since the student, by using definition, A bar cross B bar cross C bar lies in the plane of B bar and C bar. See, bracketed quantity is B cross C. So this expression lies in the plane of B bar and C bar. Whereas A bar cross B bar cross C bar lies in the plane of A bar cross B bar, which is our bracketed quantity A bar cross B bar. So this is the justification of the given expression. So we will see the comparative study of triple product of vectors, scalar triple product and vector triple product. See, in scalar triple product we can solve by determinant of order 3, and vector triple product we will solve it by back minus cab rule. The scalar triple product is commutative. So the cyclic change of vectors A bar, B bar, C bar in scalar triple product does not change its value, while in vector triple product is not commutative. So the cyclic change of vectors is not equal.